Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Chandraman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make submersible motor box control connection diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Terminal block, MCB circuit breaker, capacitor, indicator light, left side output for motor and right side input 220 volt AC line, input phase line to terminal block, neutral to terminal block, output line for motor phase line, output second phase for motor, output neutral for motor, phase connection from terminal block to MCB circuit breaker, phase connection outgoing from MCB to connect indicator, neutral connection outgoing from terminal block to connect indicator light and short with another terminal, phase connection from terminal block to short with indicator and capacitor, phase connection outgoing from terminal block to capacitor. Now it's ready for use. Viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.